Becoming a memorable person involves cultivating certain qualities and behaviors that leave a positive and lasting impression on others. Here are some key principles to consider. Number 1. Authenticity. Be yourself. Authenticity is attractive and memorable. Embrace your true self, values, and beliefs. People are drawn to those who are genuine and sincere. Consistency. Stay true to your principles and maintain consistency in your actions and words. This builds trust and reliability, making you someone others can count on. Number 2. Positive attitude. Optimism. Maintain a positive outlook on life. Approach challenges with resilience and see setbacks as opportunities for growth. Positivity is contagious and leaves a lasting impression. Gratitude. Express gratitude for others' kindness and support. Appreciating others makes them feel valued and strengthens relationships. 3. Effective communication. Active listening. Pay attention to others when they speak. Show genuine interest in their thoughts and feelings. Listening attentively shows respect and fosters meaningful connections. Clear and concise. Communicate your ideas clearly and confidently. Avoid ambiguity and strive for clarity in your conversations. 4. Empathy and compassion. Understanding others. Put yourself in others' shoes and try to understand their perspectives and emotions. Show empathy and compassion in your interactions. Helpfulness. Offer support and assistance when needed. Being helpful and supportive creates a positive impact and makes you memorable as someone who cares. Number 5. Integrity and trustworthiness. Honesty. Always be honest and transparent in your dealings with others. Integrity builds trust, which is essential for maintaining meaningful relationships. Reliability. Follow through on your commitments and promises. Consistently demonstrating reliability strengthens your reputation as someone dependable. Number 6. Unique skills and talents. Develop your strengths. Identify your unique skills and talents. Share them with others and contribute to projects or discussions where your strengths can shine. Continuous learning. Stay curious and open to learning. Acquiring new knowledge and skills adds depth to your character and makes you an interesting person to engage with. Number 7. Positive impact. Be kind. Small acts of kindness leave a big impact. Show kindness and respect to everyone you encounter. Inspire others. Share your passions and enthusiasm. Inspiring others to pursue their goals or make positive changes creates a memorable impression. 8. Humor and approachability. Sense of humor. A good sense of humor lightens the mood and makes interactions enjoyable. Use humor appropriately to connect with others. Approachability. Be approachable and open to meeting new people. Make others feel comfortable and valued in your presence.